Do hereby swear that I shall execute the office of to the best of my ability and discharge the responsibilities of this office in the best interest of the society, pursuant to the society's aims and objectives, upholding at all times the spirit and provisions of the society's statute, defending the statute and abiding by the society's laws and regulations. So help me God.